Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So I just received this item from Essence that I am so excited to unbox. I think I like unboxing things with you guys because then you get the real reaction of how I feel about the product. This bag is the Telfar shopping bag. I got a couple of items and I just wanted to dedicate this video to this bag. And I specifically wanted to do that because he is a Black designer. So I'm not saying that I only purchase items from Black designers. I just enjoy purchasing items from Black designers and just supporting Black designers. I have an entire video where I share a shopping haul off of items that I purchased from Black designers, and I'm going to share it right here. Okay, so let's just quickly unbox this. So it came in this box. Like I said, I got it from essence.com because I wanted this color. The actual Telfar shopping bag website, like the actual website where he sells his items, didn't have this color. So I found it and got it on essence.com. So this bag, I got it. Take off all this paper. I'm so excited. Not any crazy kind of wrapping or like packaging or anything like that. This is just like a regular bag, and this is, I guess, supposed to be the dust bag. I didn't really expect much from the, oh my goodness, this is orange. I knew I wanted an orange bag. Like, this bag comes in black, olive green, like a darker green, burgundy, like those more darker colors. I wanted something that was bright. They did have the yellow one, but it was sold out, so I wanted a different one that was bright. So like I said, I got this one on Essence, but this is bright. These bags are 100% vegan leather. So yeah, like I said, I wasn't expecting much as far as packaging goes. This bag was $150. So let me just show you. These bags come in 3 sizes. They come in small, which is this one, medium, and large. The small, this one, $150. The medium is $202, and the large is $257. So yes, this is the bag. Look at the straps. They're long, so you can wear it as a shoulder bag, probably crossbody. Let's see. Yep, crossbody. Oh, look how cute it is. Love it. So you can use it as a crossbody bag, and you can also use it as a top handle bag. Look at all that space in there. It's small, but it's definitely roomy. So I love this brand as well because it's inclusive. So if you go on the website, you'll see that the items are unisex, and the handbags as well. Like, it's for everyone. So men can wear this, women can wear this, anyone can wear this bag. And yeah, I really wanted to share this with you guys. Let me know in the comment section down below what you think of this bag. I find it so cute. Like, look at that, and the color. I love the orange. And even though it doesn't seem like it's a structured bag, because it's really not, if you stuff this enough, or if you put an organizer, I'm probably gonna see if I can find an organizer that fits in here, then you'll definitely have it more structured. Oh my God, look at this. Look at this bag, guys. Like, just check and admire this thing out. How cute is this? I'm gonna leave the link down below on where you can find these bags. If this orange bag is still available, I'll link that down below. But if not, I'll link it to the actual website so that you can check out the other colors that are available. Hope you enjoyed this quick unboxing. Like I said, I just wanted it to be quick, show you what it is, tell you about the brand, mention that it's a Black designer. Like, it makes me happy. It makes me happy to support Black designers. Like I mentioned, it's not that I only shop Black designers, but it just, I don't know, it makes me so happy. So yes, the word of the day, guys, is strength. I want to leave you guys with this quote. Your strength is in your journey, not the outcome. Think about that, let it sink in, and I'll see you in the next video. Remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Until next time.